Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to download Elementor Pro or any other GPL theme and plugin at the cheapest price with an auto-update license key. First up, head over to the ILM Store website. You'll see a lot of great options on the homepage, like the Astra Pro, Yoast SEO plugins, but for this video, we're focusing on Elementor Pro. Click on Elementor Pro and let's pick a plan. For my setup, I'm going to select the one-site Elementor Pro plan, which includes the 3-year auto-update feature. Now hit Add to Cart, and let's head over to the checkout. At the checkout page, you just need to fill in your normal details, your name, your WhatsApp number, and your email address. Make sure you check the Create Account box so you can access your downloads and keys later on. Everything looks good. So, let's select our payment method and click Place Order. Now, for the payment, a QR code will pop up on your screen. I'm just scanning this with my eSewa wallet on my phone, but you can use the bank apps, Nepali, or Indian UPI payment app. Once you finish the transfer, just click Check Payment. Awesome! Payment is successful. Step 2. Getting your API key and files. Next, you'll be taken to your order details page. You need to look at two very important things here, your order number and your API key. Go ahead and click Download to get the plugin's zip file. Please note, this zip file is not Elementor Pro itself. It is the ILM Store dashboard plugin, which will manage our downloads and automatic updates. Step 3. Now, I am going to my WordPress site. Go to Plugins, then click Add New, and click Upload Plugin. Click Choose File, and select that zip file we just downloaded from the ILM Store. Click Install Now, and once it's done, hit Activate Plugin. Once that is activated, you'll see a new ILM dashboard or settings in your WordPress menu. Click into those settings. It's going to ask you for your purchased API key. So, go to the ILM checkout page, copy that API key, paste it right here into your WordPress settings, and hit Activate. You'll get a nice congratulations message letting you know it's connected. Now for the best part. Right there, inside your new ILM dashboard, you'll see the Elementor Pro page builder ready for download. All you have to do is click Install Plugin, and once it finishes, click Activate. And just like that, Elementor Pro is successfully installed on your site. How automatic updates work. One quick thing before we wrap up. Since we bought the auto update plan, you don't have to manually upload zip files anymore. In the future, whenever a new version of Elementor Pro comes out, all you need to do is go back to this ILM dashboard. An update button will automatically appear right next to the plugin. Just click it and your site is instantly up to date. And that is how you download and set up Elementor Pro from the ILM Store. I hope this video helped you guys out. See you in the next one.